the problem has been with how we come with our license without any regulation, no matter sense I see. Na nanum nyina na de omomoja koje Ghana asase to ho mai.
Right.
Enti say agudie bi wum na ye nyina ye benya so mfaso a e was said the people of Ghana so enya the right over it.
Yeah.
But Ghana for na ye pay right over it no you ni abotre. Obia tam ne kra no akwa kogina ba bi o se ha na good no wa ye ne basa na o se so na effect so e batman mu for kro na so.
Right. So
last time I met a couple of them and I was telling them, say, look, as simple as ABC. I had to say the National Media Commission. Me believe that the approach to solving this matter should not be a total ban or suspension on all my mining activities. No, because your own crop for almost also Akoto machines are mutu a good year now. They reclaim the lands.
Right.
Omundi didn't go be a food. Omundi didn't consume biemu. So the approach should rather be say. Why a bebo raw site or boom rasu saying su uni license uni documentation on adiana o yeno or your unregulated yampamo. But the bar kukwa site nasa kukwa yen bibia within the remits of the law on saying su on say a fool on ye bibia utu amna o kataso or yen bibia kama abra any effect biawo. Yeah, sitting a then Akufo should be allowed to mine. It serves as a good example. Say the ono bet na fia fe de commode no na kai mene no. Obo te say me koto bulldozer no. Na fe me tu na me kata so na me nyama so mbia ya adwuma de a. Why not comply with the law?
Right.
Then we are all safe. But olampi omu nyina bom dia. Then there is a difficulty. Because the oil right thing wapam no. The oil wrong thing wapam no. Then it becomes a problem. Meaning so what you say.
I get it.
It is a media National Media Commission made them example. Your station almost sorry inside tribal sentiments. Your station almost sorry attempt DD. So ultimately can say because of stations be ADD attempt, you close it down all media houses. Insure FM, na Juma decently. So you allow Insure to work. Then it serves as an example. Say if you work within the law, you have your peace of mind to work.
Right.
Meaning say what you say. So in that light, but I insist say yentimi now Emma Brofo mefa ye former goodiem ko at the detriment of the citizens.
Right.
Na you asan ko say yesre omomo ma loans, yesre omomo ma grant. No mo den say asan beto say oba ne oba nana wa makwan dia ene me ma no. What you say? That is my simple position on it.
All right. Now, Yambra was way. They say a question, then a coso, I was scholarship secretariat. I mean, I'm saying, Obisia very transparent. Obia co-interview. Kama mentis Obia kase and Amitia at the Mudibi and San. Obia for system nimu. A cousin.
Enti said ya nano me ba me boa manieno. Yebeya Santimante mu Yakobuno, Yako a couple of the regions this week. You started Eastern region, you started Central, Upper West, any other regions. No, me no cause teams no grounds are or more EDBBA go akoma me nim say by this time be about saying ekobo 9 until me sure say interviews are starting other regions na BBA course. So yeah, try ni mu say nche you better and say free interviews no na afi yeah selection, you selection na then you better start your payment. Largely no be be a course kama yente pinchen me science su bi wa say Ghana Scholarship Secretariat yenje application fee and yenye sika bia. I've said it time without number enti mo amosori amoba me inbox mu na obi a create page bi wa waje usika me kan o TV so me kan o radio so the moment obi be catch a scam you should know it's a scam. And now go there now you don't come back to me then.
Right.
I've said this time without number. Say yenji application fee, yenji fee, it is free.
Yeah.
It is a obi ebe chato no kase tuya bibia. That in itself should tell you say nipa ne person was scamming.
Okay.
Meaning say what is yenji sika. Don't go and pay the money and come back and complain. Misremo.
Right.
Okay.
Mate. Now, bibi wo ho apese e huma hu nkrata bebreze o chen Kwaku ba ko.
Easy.
Nkrata be no no.
You see nana okaya
Akufo manya scholarship ana.
There be men komodi a medi kan no obedi ye no. Na ya about me buy ye ne de me beto so.
Right.
Na e kade bubruja onim.
Na kelantua akra be.
Kelantua nyina ba mu na nse hu se na US ne UK for train aboard. So me no cause only last 2 weeks was the last week right your student back who got deported from UK. US for mitua ye payment and by payment we na UK VI for say too late.
Oh,
inti waba but the school no better issue cash for from an area apply for visa now.
Okay.
But me person who say mo ayedin we mistake to be a deported student and then yes sika no so sebe me this year I can't UK nko 1 billion Ghana cedis but my budget I mean for the entire year was 174 million cedis and do 200 impo and one am dey share scholarship beneficiaries say we ase afa na nyina
enye possible
enye what yes and one am dey share Algeria, Morocco, Serbia, India, China, France, Germany, everyone may hear free. In Sweden, lady be so much some person deporting and a bush for out. You get it. Let's say local scholarships in Ankasa, UK, US, Canada, and one Kakrana me boss, and one I was used solve all these problems.
Right.
It's very challenging. But me will say year so. I buy a budgeter. Yeah, my allocation to scholarship secretariat. The question is, Sikana na bas scholarship secretariat Afriyie ewehin. How come say Afriyie budget? We are supposed to work within the budget, but all of a sudden no. Sikana ya hu kwan ya fa so ya say da use sikana. But beneficiary so de ka. I can mini secretariat na ma yedin say ewo amanone. And I may say sadia. There should be an audit.
Okay.
And just the first phase of the audit. Yeah, audit no into Adebia me who say the former registrar created any friend short courses to UK.
Okay. Short courses.
Now interestingly no, so short courses no money company be a friend Crown Agents UK na yeah no. And they neka.
Okay.
And no the kaba ku kran na ho. One city cry nika wo ho.
There are short courses.
Short courses and they ya nika wo ho da. But the aka nyina de ka to hwa say majority and I say a chunk of the budget na na eba nyina ye push ko UK but na enko regular scholarship beneficiaries in ho but it was being channeled through this program
in the name of short courses.
Eviasi afa na nyina ma menkyere wade bi ye frɛ bibi ye was scholarship regimes.
Yeah.
But scholarship you are allow ma ultimate do dependent joining.
All right.
But the dependent policy largely depends on the immigration policy of the country. It has nothing to do with Aban. Because Aban as a state agency. So for instance, if you UK for no more immigration policy allows say if you are on scholarship now with UK, ultimately invite and how to me invite Oba and how to me invite Unyabi on condition say usika semi ye usu betimi accommodate you. Or maybe to say Canada or more allow. Or maybe to say US or more allow me Trump buy in our sacred
Trump was a son
and I was a cremudia. But I know of Canada, I know of UK.
Right.
But me a cramibusu ni me ma me last born ni kununya scholarship and Ukraine government but they Commonwealth. And no the be fan me make it one call UK.
Right.
The expenditure now the expenses that comes with inviting with dependents no has nothing to do with government.
And you buy the chair.
And you buy mean what you say.
So who the end is when your scholarship in co. So also Kofu Obusu for you buy headache.
Then a buy headache.
Right.
Una na Kojo Kyeremanteng who when your scholarship.
Right.
And what na brute maybe I PhD 4 years 5 years. And I feel say awo enti ube hia wo yire ho kanfo na awon ba bebra wa hye so kakra na wo de akulu weda no
anya aban issue
den na wo say aban mum ene ebe bo wo yire ho ka say na Kojo Kyeremanteng esua ade na disua na wo sua no ti me pese o se awon no ye too much nti me bo ho ka na wa Kojo ne na Kojo Kyeremanteng na open hyeso a waboa na mana hyeso. How is that government business?
And the working committee, a chess will be Yibiana.
Dear Akoto was secretariat one say, Yamawu na Kojo Kyeremanteng scholarship one. Near foul yere, near foul ma, na ya omo as dependents, and your dependents no crown near you. O yere no mano, omo visa processing ni fees e charge nyina secretariat ni na etua omo air ticket nyina no secretariat ni na etua na on top of that na yasan so atwa stipend payment ay obi mo friend allowance say e be say atua allowance di ama won
the na koso
na na kwadwo jantoa mama ma example classical one document we me de bema wakan but ope kra na start kan free we confirm no but on say score document okay vision tiana
score sec okay scholarship secretary to whom it may be concerned the consular UK visa and immigration home office DSM madam sponsorship letter Peter Mensah and about 1986 na say time I won Ghanaian passport number blah 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 gifty Efia or Aremeyaw
Ore kanko nana janto kanko
all right we confirm that Peter Mensah has been awarded a financial scholarship by Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to study LLM law at the Brunel University London United Kingdom which commenced on January 2022. The scholarship covers Peter Mensah and his dependent listed above, and it covers all students' tuition fees of 17,875 and living expenses of 16,008 per annum. It also covers his dependents, Gifty Efia or Aremeyaw spouse, living expenses of 8,160 thousand pounds, 8,160 pounds. Invoices and finance.
Okay, signed by who?
Kingsley Agyapong, Registrar of Scholarship.
Tinana Jantua. Oh, the near this can after Mammy Tróuble. Peter Mensah no. Gift your worry. I no ye deputy
National Service
director or National Service and I said who bar me.
Yeah.
Onuni kunu any friend Peter Mensah.
Okay.
Now the mere fact say Peter Mensah no has been awarded scholarship. So on concourse na LLM or Brunel Nintino. Yes, scholarship secretary the Abansika. Sanso sponsor na yiri aye gift to worry unim no. Yeah, the Sansikano sponsor which is 8,160 pounds. Convert the money.
Na 8,000 pounds.
Peter Mensah tu kwa kosunya de. Na e wo say na yire gifty or worry Mensah join and said they be awarding no obetumi ase so. How?
Nti aban na etuanika.
Na da wu ye wama ya committee secretariat ni say ye betua 8,000 pounds asa ma gifty or worry because or kan kunu ne nako. Ni kunu na nya scholarship.
Date ni ye date.
2022.
That's not a pounds in your best.
How?
Really?
And memos in Naka, what we are now, maybe in memos for approval of the monies to be paid. I see.
Gives you Owari Peter Owari Mensah.
Peter Mensah, omu ticketing, any omu ticket cry scholarship secretariat in a toy.
Really?
Figures in a town 48,700. Yes, 48,000.
Apart from say all qua. You be mano say stipend, you know.
Yes, they take it crow they joining the kuno scholarship secretariat in TI. Bonebe na scholarship secretariat aye. Na students ankasati ho. Yemtio mu tuition, yemtio mu stipend. Na omo threatening demonstration, but ya so obi ni na busuan 40 said ye American lottery program.
Wow.
Where just a tip of it.
So the preamble and they say and yes son was a secretary and
how is that a business? If I really see me fan awo nana jantoa. O ye lecturer. O apply for scholarship. Ye catch say o yire ye be say to ask allowance ama yire. Because ye Owusu be that. Because ukosua and woman be the president of Ghana ha kran ka ye be man sa privilege no.
Nti won pese wo yire na obusu ni kwa ye won abebo sa.
That is your business. That is your business. How is that the business of the secretariat? Nana Jantua, give your worry the say in some of the cases. Ebi wo wa senka obi ne yere kura ba ko pen na kwa senka nye yewu. Ebi mu wo wa Nana Jantua. Omo ne omoyire ene omuma ebi wa nipa be 4 ebi wa nipa be 5 odwene ho a onti ase hwe nana dwantoa we okay visa application na 10 years visa ni wa no okoye short course for 2 weeks o
mbajo fabrami
enie
obua mamenkin kamadi
enie
mamenkin kamadi
gift allowance no your boy na 128,000 hey
as of that time na pound is
128,000 1.2 billion OCDs
yeah the man
adanya ni kunanya scholarship
sapra na pounds is
16 cities
what you say
na dollar na 11 as of that time
enti wona be ba akoko ma me nkyere mu ye
enti saying 1.2
billion OCDs
and the man no
yeah the man adanya ni kunu na nya scholarship enti Ghana ban ehu ni kunu ni so bi da enti gift your worry ye be ma wo so 128,000 na ya say take it ama ene wukunu nko na awode no a waboa na mana hye so what be that
that time inana wayi ni ho afrim so wanya scholarship secretariat adwuma na gift
national service why government appointee
national service
why government appointee
na me pese bi national
why government appointee
mamembra me hu ba ko be Mr. Daniel Mensah short course UK visa application for 10 years
program here 2 weeks 14 days
for 10 years I say
now request for payment UK visa application reference to document attached in respect of the above subject and the directive of the registrar to deal with the invoices. Vibe Consult quoted the total lowest of 17,200. Vibe Consult is therefore being recommended for your consideration and approval. So the transaction and details below. Mr. Daniel Mensah, short course UK visa application for 10 years. I don't get it.
Program here 2 weeks no. Yeah, apply for 10 years visa na amodi.
Say.
And the na about trim.
Oh, free Ghana ha na so better.
The na about trim.
Short course 2 weeks in 10 years.
10 years visa. Meanwhile, so the longer the duration no charges no cost low.
Enye say bi anka ye PhD program kan is understandable.
A 2 weeks program.
Short course.
And a short course no na say 10 year visa.
Aye. And no more apply into yentua.
I don't hear travel and also.
Yeah, me ba ma me be bin count.
Hey.
Na
debut. Incredible.
Enti ba bia sika no.
Abusia say we for me the other scholarship secretariat no era Safoje Mr. And no pay way revelation wa ha. Na ne tofa ni nyina ne say nana do dan Akufo Addo abran so owura Kingsley Agyeman na wo hwe so no. Enyoma bebre akoso a na emfa kwam. Sika ni bi wo ho a na emfa kwam. Na kwan omo fa so yusu sika no bra wona no mu hia sika no kra wo mu nsu na o share short courses ya eno timi ko UK ya ehun nsem na ko ye bebre eno hu revelation bi na ye maame ye nua ba gift o worry no ye deputy
o ye government appointee ewo national service secretariat awo no betumi atua ne kunu anya scholarship so ko ye LLM nti Ghana aban ma no allowance 128,000 Ghana cedis free. Ghana buying say twa return air ticket man British Airways no akojoine niku. Say minim so mo contribution to your GDP no minim.
Na ye say wie ye no kra no allegation na ba ni chere national service no kra no sika bi kra ye said account for.
O de mam nana
we just thinking about
the sanhwe we
the see the amount now boy no any
mami really bin ka ho we or say we confirm that Kwaku Annan has been awarded a financial scholarship by the Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to study BA Public Health and Community Studies at Coventry University.
Now yenye bi wa here.
ODTA UK. The scholarship commences on February 2021 and will end on February 2022. The scholarship is the scholarship covers Kwaku Annan and her dependents listed above, and it covers all the tuition fees, 15,100 pounds, and living expenses of 12,180 pounds. It also covers her dependents. Joseph Jamena Nikun spouse. Living expenses of 7,605 pounds per annum. and 6,000
per annum every year.
And 6,120 pounds per annum each to Nana Ya Inshira Dwamena daughter and Erabna Kwachiwa Dwamena daughter.
Yeah.
2021.
Ne said the walking can no HRS. The walking can HRS. Sa abaywe a friend of Germany.
Your friend of Porsche Dudonina.
Okusia B is
on no papa B public health.
AB. On no ni school fees 15,000 plus pounds.
Yes.
The obedi din so 12,000.
Yes.
We are nikunu and then the mammy and you be a yentia.
Obia so ye betua 7,605. And Kwalami no be 6,120 pounds. Nikunu no be 7,605. Nan Kwalami no na each 6,120 per annum.
Every year.
Into onono koye course a ye do Ken University, ye do UDS, ye do Legonya Masters undergrad. Na all kono ya o se de ni kunu ka ho na ono a wo kode na ni kunu na timi aka ne ho hye. Na osan so won ne ma o se ne ma ni susanti no. Ye san fa kola ne nka ho. Na scholarship secretariat boss ano o Kingsley Agyeman. On there Father Christmas wonim de de abansika yinti o se nkola no so no yensan tua o mo allowance. Wow. Say enti enu nie uhu se memo for approval na nie omo air take it so hu di no wo ho
Joseph Jamina
so hu
Gilbert Boabenchu ai ono so take it no so dem apart from
omo nie ama omo passport details nie we dey intimi fan kire cameras.
Yeah. Hey. Enti ni kunu no.
Hwade wa ha ba ko san wa ha. O say we confirm that Candy Peltum Fenin has been awarded a renewal scholarship one MSc cyber security blah blah blah. Na hana ya na ehia me ha no. O say the scholarship covers Cindy Peltum Fenin and her dependents listed above. It covers all the tuition fees of 15,320 pounds. Expenses of 12,260 pounds per annum, living expenses, you know. It also covers her dependents, Kofi Tum Fenin, and your spouse. Nance a Nikun, Gerard Nana Kofi Tum Fenin, Neba son, and Queen Shira Safua Tum Fenin, daughter. Living expenses 8,160 pounds each per annum.
Now, per annum just every year, you emphasize 8,000.
And the man,
you
didn't crack at home because when you scholarship into a burn slono, you won a bush and phone to be that. Into your funny kun aka home, your funny ma aka home, or Buna, best more allowance. Ghana bicycle. Now one more. Omanya scholarship na ankasa kra no mo we bi kra ye local no yentua omo a eye bilateral na o allowance ye $230 for a month no yentua obi anya liver problem 2 years nie e wo UK o dampa so ontimi usua de bio owu de na ye de sika no ye ni
omo da so Ghana
hwan mo menim ye ni mo where about. Now we've been called short courses 2 weeks. Yamani 10 years visa will be some sort of Ghana. Check your hair so about.
And Timu Patel Muntimin Trisum.
Who could trace anyway? Nana down to a payment vouchers in a territory. Yetua. Now they won't share. Bakubia Mihuya me bufu ya crab, Bakubia Mihuya me bufu ya or no nanya application the Abba Secretariat or Radier. Or say, I write respectfully to seek your kind approval for the purchase of a return air ticket from United Kingdom to Ghana. Nati your Hano. I am on a spousal scholarship. I am on a spousal scholarship beneficiary in the UK. And it has become necessary to travel to Ghana to attend very critical family complications and return to assist my spouse in taking care of their children as she concentrates on her studies. Where will be or no your man scholarship you na scholarship. You're trying to take it ama omoko. But or say family issue see Ghana. enti watro letter the aba secretariat to say yes am so twa ticket man no nti bi mra Ghana emehwe family issue no na yire no mom de on koso no sua de tede be ya na yire benya na sumdue na dwantoa eni o Ade na wo say
twia ya twia fa ebo pa
ade na say
me konsa me ye me pesika kura me nya
nana
because we hear calculations na emfa
short courses 2 weeks yetua obi school fees £4,650 check it
how
2 weeks program 4,000 Okoye management development for executives 2023
management day
development for executives 2023
now we say bit me actually
2 weeks or yetua £4,650
minim your friend is saying
Hilda Afua Aduakon Champon
enti yemusan say what de be ye den
ene minim
na nti wo ka so wunim na me nti wase na na wo keka ka ne say
me kan say
wo kan say wunim dia wunim say
short courses no na minim Hilda omukra you see the point is that short courses na e funny program it is a development or say developing future leaders we try dey say dey
na we say symposium bi no
what you say where was it management development for executives 2023
how they quiet
the fees no training fees £4,650 cost of living allowance £2,000 enti onu kwa ye 6,000
mu hia me consultants
onu kwa ye 6,000
mu disika
the way your professors in me nchire wa
there be
management development day executive
Mr.
Nana multimedia for am kwa mo charge say
Nana
na say no anu mo chere wo multimedia
Nana we ye ketua
management development
hey na book no so
we opa emodi nipa kro e man award
oh na den ndi emodi
ana na mi bodin
bodino
na mo to de bia mo pese mo chere say
hwe Nana yi we nyina ye spousal take it to ayetuetua
ye no ne ekunu no
oh hwe enie
Joseph Jamina ne
dependent of Porsche adudo nyina ne take it no 36,000 Gilbert Boabi Chum
after scholarship ni nyina
I we say the omukunu num kwa kan mo until we 63,000
na emu wa na ye
de
we na ye month no mo spell na anye ya na
I
okay
neba ebisa wa
na enyansem getu awo
na take it na mu evidence ni
take it na ye twama
ni to me metna ha mo mi trim say me twa ntro to obi so that the tickets were actually purchased
enti Sadi ekuta mi
ekuro mu hu
na wo de meba we nu fata kakra na wabodin no
because
wo de na hwade wa ha we a second sheet nana ya inshira dwamena obi yire dependent we a Porsche adudo nyina ba also no so ni take it also no ne ma 2 or 3 so no so ni take it so on bill 28,000 Kofi Chum Fenin ni kunu no 45,000
ne so no ya man scholarship ya say twa na busuan fodi wo bro obi nso hia
abra obi so hia bi eno abia sanie
school fees are made to no for school fees kura
enie
na £4,000 yetimi tia for bebre school fees wo Ghana
okay we oti comfort obi yire oti comfort say we dependent on dependent of Frank Kofi Pinto ye na yetwa ticket na ma 34,000 so ena wo ho no do nyina Porsche ne baba ako ono so 36,000 so
say we yetua dada
oh yetua omo passport e net etitare ho
na say no de scholarship no de
because you see calculations no okay to say obi de 34,000 no it metia KNC school fees
enkwada be 150 credit me
na wo hwe we na me hu ya eno na me hu ya na me bu afu we ya obi a ya man scholarship
o say
wakwa kosua de na wie ai wo se nka ya bonde na wo so obaba to Ghana be sum Ghana ono no I apply for letter of no objection ama ya man no objection letter
no objection nature say
no objection nature say wasua de awi e wo so obesum Ghana no wo se wo ma obesum Bruni to obeka UK ho
na wo Ghana say ma
enti o ma consent say ka ho emesum Ghana no mu ka say onka ho kra nwie no onu asanya akukoduro ama secretariat no say tua visa processing fee
ode kwan
ode je ne graduate route visa atena UK ho no ye secretariat na say tua ma wono ne ma nana dwantoa sanse munu wei ye ka kire hwan se Ghana aban sponsor se kosua de wosua de na wie no o se onfa nimde ne mesom Ghana na emu de besum Bruni secretariat no say okay tena ho na ne visa processing na fee no okotua san de age visa atena UK ho no secretariat no asa tua sa sika na ma one ne ma
wow
any graduate route visa application fees for students dependent in the person of Nana Kwame Osebunsu neba 37,000
na usika o
akwala na yinie akwala na passport yinie
what is sports here no we try for waba bako waba
so per residence permit
enti yes tia hu scam ma one ne ma ne kunu how
eni age atum
eni nana janto eni akwala na yine da ho no eni edoso ye time aso
hey say we yo mu there because in some
mama ka sem chero nana
can it tobo can say
you know me too well
now we say ko bi nko 19 pounds
news
15,000 ebi wo betimi atua na wo so ye MP na wo ntimi ntua wo ye minister wo ntimi ntua ye betimi atua
minister wo ye needy minister ye needy e wo kromo awe minister ye needy wo kromo ha
di ba na hu
scholarship for the needy no minister ye needy
akwa we nko din die wo de ubi asende mami ye de beto we mu nyina kwaji bi MP
na wo ye minister cry we be di MP asa ye minister wo ye needy I say the Ghana scholarship ma
mutimi nye sika MPs mutimi nye sika etua bribe ma delegates you are telling me say wo nye sika nkoye wo PhD in energy petroleum and mineral o de ne din ma me fanto
na adwantoa na obusa say there na me ya fa no say Richard Osuba na o say chiwo mo
because mo can say ya na ye
last week TMN last week bia na be chiwo mo
sa
last week bia na ebeche nipa miensa in relation to this
we know
yes but the entire amount for our news is because they are civil servants
okay
so what I say they are civil servants and I don't want to put them out there until investigations no guso so wa hu ba bia ko safi wa hu ba bia ko obi kura the order from Thursday ekosi Monday
na wan ganche
ba ko damu from Thursday ekosi Monday
issue no
because e chi wom de do mu kom fie ekohwe ye nya official document e wa manfo fie
good news
ye nya letters a drafter ye de memidi ahya ase abra meminim draft letters a amanfo aye de memidi ahya ase a e bia omo tetare ze nko menya letter head anom de atoso
wow
e wa manfo fie ye nya fuel coupons e be worth 20,000 e wa manfo fie
that's ye adwuma
it was issued by the secretariat
at that time
at the time kwan ye faso akodi ho yenim ebi baako approve stubborn on fire bia na fo nko fie no odo mo ko ghetto bi enti ono na da mu ma from Thursday ekosi Monday no na me bokoko say ye nwie because o hwe ade we a because of diplomacy ntina nsem ni bu ameka me kan wrong but some bit of organized crime and so no miami nia pani remo acha so besum so after BNI no yoko so besum so yawo akwan to bebre in fact wouldn't say I discover say your beneficiaries crana on my word letters no unsigned
and so award it
ye to ya Ghana ban to ya
but yen sign
it was not signed your award letters we can only trace photocopies originals ye your award letters eni e fa so but ni na be course ama Ghana be tua nana we are just for the short courses, and I can confirm say even we have instances are institutions ability say bui power mebodi aye a list of nkrofo mo person mo kosua de bui power e de aba say scholarship secretariat was only to facilitate visa processing, but they ended up giving them awards, allocating allowances to them.
Obra na bui power ni betua. But scholarship between the mountain.
Antina say sikana bui betua na de utimi say e fa nchan na say akọ enkrofo botum. Enti investigations ketwa we am ya hu say e ka ne de e wo books nim. But enye ka nka say da ho e sika bi akọ enkrofo bi botum. And sankrofo no nana dwantoa time aso say ye nyina say per reset agenda ne dia or say people who have to come and answer questions and they must face the law and be brought to book.
Media we know part 1 because many num Richard the moment ya ne fatilom ne e koma yen ede timi kan kire me say sa course am yan kasa metimi a kire for free master in development D&D na yama will be kwan say on course ade no.
Oh,
I'm expecting
so much testimonies cry nya from participants ni bi express o makodru UK ho kra wi no I nkrofo bi omo ne omo an full flight free Ghana ha omo kope conference room bi no ma begina ho no ma ye presentation yes o ma wi
omo nko
na it will interest you to know say company Crown Agents UK no as at 2022 na Ofodi app
Gyamfi
Crown Agent me no ka say it is no more they folded up.
Okay, yeah, that's it. I was young kasa bi say wa wati nsem ni bi wo ha me make commentary bia wa wati meboa so wa wati so wo hu de ekoso so wo hu man no be bi eko na me de dem pese metia ne say e be sori anopa na asafoje ya chinkrofo agum na yensika ne ne ekwan mo fa so yensaka because nyoma bi wo ho it doesn't make sense.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.